welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a project share for a project I am working on. Well, I'm still kind of technically working on it because I need to fill it with some more things, but it is a project I am doing for a Facebook swap that I am part of. So let me move this. This is the project. It is a accordion folder. So, and then we have to stuff it with a bunch of different things. And so I still need to finish stuffing it with other things. But this is what the completed project looks like. And I'm super excited about it, guys. I've never made one of these before. And I just thought like it sounded like fun. And I decided to go with this vintage look. Excuse me. I am super sick. I stayed home today, actually working on this project. So I apologize for the coughing and the scratchy sound in my voice. But so this is what I came up with. I used like all of the Tim Holtz products that I have to create this. So let me open it up and show you what it looks like. So you open it up like this, and then you have this accordion folder that I've just stuffed with all kinds of random goodies so far, and then I plan on stuffing up some more stuff in there. But in order to make this, you just use envelopes. You're going to seal your envelopes shut and then cut a super thin piece off of the edge of your envelope down here at the bottom. And that's what gives you this opening right here. And then on each envelope, you're going to add double-sided tape. I'm going to put tape down here along the bottom, tape along the top, about a quarter, I put mine about a half an inch in, and then doing one strip down at a half an inch in to give yourself this right here. And then to get the effect that I have, I used my Tim Holtz Distress inks in the, I think it's called like the Vintage Photo Collection or something like that. They came together in a set of 4. And it's Vintage Photo, Brushed Corduroy, Antique Linen, and Walnut Stain. And for this project, I used the Vintage Photo and the Brushed Corduroy. So for my envelopes, I did all Vintage Photo. So I did it on the sides, here in the top, on the inside, and then I did it at the top, on the back side, and the bottom, so you can see here it's also done. And I just did basically what was going to be showing on the outside of the tape. So I did not do the entire envelope, as you're not going to see the entire envelope. And then on the front, I took a sheet of paper that I cut down to, let me remember what this is. It is 8 by 5. So this is 8 inches long by 5 inches high. And then I backed my piece of paper on 110-pound white cardstock, and then I distressed the edges of the cardstock as well so that you couldn't tell. And then I distressed the front, and then I started distressing this before I let the glue completely dry, which actually kind of made it look even more just beat up, because then where there was wet spots of glue underneath the paper, it's a lot darker, and I actually really like that. So it turned out that way on both sides. And then I took ephemera from the Tim Holtz paper dolls botanical and snippets packs, and rubbed the brushed corduroy and the vintage photo to kind of get just a little bit different tint to it over each one of these ephemera pieces. And then I crinkled them up in my hands before gluing them down. And then I glued them down with my Aleene's original tacky glue. And after I had finished all of that, I used my, oops, wrong drawer. I used my Crocodile here to punch holes into the front and the back, and then put in these small eyelets. This tool right here allows you to punch holes in 2 different sizes. So you have the small size and you have the standard size, and then you can just flip this around to work with whatever kind of eyelet piece it is that you're using. So I really like this tool. After I put the eyelets in, I then took some of this Tim Holtz jute string in this dark gray or this lighter gray, like color, and strung it through here and tied really small knots into the ends of both sides of the string so that the string doesn't come out, but the string is long enough that you can open this up completely and there's still slack on it. And that's how I tie it shut. And then I just put a little bow in it. And that is my completed project. So I'm really, really stoked about this, and I really hope that the recipient of this enjoys it as much as I enjoyed making it. I had a lot of fun, and I think this is definitely something that I'm probably going to do a lot more of, because this is, I think, a really, really cute way to store different photos and stuff, and you can make it look like whatever it is that you want it to look like. So excuse me. Yeah, that is everything that I wanted to just like pop in and show you guys really quick. I've been super behind on making my videos. I have an entire video recorded for my May plan with me, and then my computer started acting up and I had a lot of issues trying to record my voiceover for that. So I don't even think I'm going to wind up putting out my May plan with me, because I've had too many issues with that. So I'm hoping that either tomorrow or the next day I will get up a weekly plan with me. And then I have a couple other video ideas that I'm trying to get together so that I can try to get on a more continuous schedule. I want to have at least one video every single week come out. I would love to have a video up every single Sunday. And then if I can do it, get a video up every single Wednesday as well. So as we can see this week, I'm putting up my video late Monday night because I've had a million other issues and I stayed home sick and I had this horrible headache, and it's just, I don't want to whine to you guys, but yes. So be on the lookout for more videos. Be on the lookout for things that are slightly a little different. I'm trying to expand kind of what I put on my channel. So again, thank you guys so much for taking the time to check out my videos. Thank you for listening to me ramble for a minute. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the little bell so that you know when I post my videos. Like, share, tell your friends about me, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.